How to get whatever you want. Here's what it says. Ask. That's it. End of notes. Ask. If there's one art to master in life, it's the art of asking. What does ask really mean? It means, what do you want? The formula is simple but powerful. Ask, and you shall receive. That's from Matthew 7:7, a promise straight from Jesus himself. You've got to be more than a good worker. You've got to be a good asker. Here are 3 key points on asking and receiving that can change your life. First, asking starts a unique process. It's mental, emotional, and spiritual. You may not understand how it works, but it does. It's like pushing a button and setting great things in motion. Some people keep studying the roots while others are busy picking the fruit. Asking is the beginning of receiving, so start the process. Second, receiving is automatic. If that's true, then receiving isn't the problem. The real problem is failure to ask. James 4:2 says, "You have not because you ask not." You can work hard every day, but if you never ask, you limit what God can do through you. A good worker who doesn't ask is like a farmer who plants but never prays for rain. So start asking, clearly, boldly, and faithfully. Third, there's plenty available. Success isn't in short supply. It's not rationed out. It's like an ocean with more than enough for everyone. The problem is that some people go to the ocean with a teaspoon. Go with a bucket. Go with faith. Ephesians 3:20 says, "God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think." So dream big, ask big, and believe big. Now, there are 2 ways to ask. First, ask with intelligence. Be clear and specific. Define what you want and describe it in detail. How high? How soon? What size? What color? Goals are like magnets. The clearer they are, the stronger they pull. Second, ask with faith. That's the childlike part of the equation. Believe you can get what you ask for, just like a child believes their father's promise. Mark 11:24 says, "Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." So make plans like an adult and believe in them like a child. Try it for 90 days. You can always go back to the old ways. The world admires the doers. Ask with intelligence, ask with faith, and watch what God does.